Find the equation of a line containing the given points. Write the equation in slope-intercept form. Okay, so we are given 2 points here. The first one is minus 5, minus 3. And then the second one is 4, minus 6. Let's use the first point here as x1, y1. So we'll have x1, y1 here as minus 5, minus 3. And then we use this one here as x2, y2. x2, y2. And that will equal to 4, minus 6. And the first step that we always need to do when dealing with the linear equation is find the slope. Find the slope. And what is the slope? The formula for the slope is m, which is the slope, the symbol for the slope. And then that is delta y divided by delta x. And then what is delta y? Delta y is the difference of the y. I will have y2 minus y1. And then delta x is difference of the x's. So I will have x2 minus x1. And all that we need to do is plug in the values. What is y2? y2 is minus 6. And then minus y1. What is y1? y1 is minus 3. So I have minus 3. And then divided by x2. x2 is 4. And then minus x1. x1 is minus 5. So I'll have minus 5. Okay, so we will have this. The numerator will be minus 6. Minus and minus becomes plus. So I'll have plus 3. And then divided by 4. Minus and minus becomes plus. And I will have 5 here. And so we'll have minus 6 plus 3. We will have minus 3 over 9. Or simplifying this, we will have minus 1 over 3. Right? So we have our slope here. And then we need to plug into the formula that we know. So we will have plug in to, remember the formula, y minus y1 is equal to the slope multiplied by x minus x1. Good. And this one here, y, is that just y here. If without subscribe, it is a variable. With subscribe, it is a number. So we have y minus y1. What is y1? y1 is this one here, minus 3. So y minus 3 here. And that will equal to the slope. We will have minus 1 over 3. And then multiplied by x. X is a variable because it is without subscribe. And then minus x1. Minus x1 because it has subscript, it is a number. What is x1? x1 is minus 5 here. So we will have minus 5. And then we can simplify this. So we'll have y plus 3. And that will equal to minus 1 over 3 multiplied by x. Minus and minus becomes plus. And I will have 5. Good. And then we can move this 3 to the right hand side. So we'll have y is equal to minus 1 over 3. And then x plus 5. And then minus 3. So here we will have y is equal to minus 1 over 3 multiplied by x and then minus 5 over 3 here because we distribute this minus 1 over 3 to the brackets here, and then we will have minus 3. or we can rewrite that minus 3 as 9 over 3. Have 9 over 3. And so we will have y is equal to minus 1 over 3x and then minus 14 over 3. And that is the answer that we are looking for. So this is already in the slope-intercept form. And I think that's all for this problem. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.